given a is equal to 0, pi by 6, pi by 4, pi by 3, pi by 2. F from a to b is a surjective function. F of x is function is given as cos x. Then find b. B means a set of codomain. Codomain is also is equal to range. So range means f of 0 is equal to cos 0 is equal to 1. So f of pi by 6 is equal to cos pi by 6 is equal to root 3 by 2. So f of pi by 4 is equal to cos pi by 4 is equal to 1 by root 2. So f of pi by 3 means cos pi by 3, cos 60 is 1 by 2. F of pi by 2, so cos pi by 2 means cos 90. So cos 90 is equal to 1, 0. Then set B is equal to set of images 1 root 3 by 2, 1 by root 2, 1 by 2, 0. So this is the answer. So f of x is equal to x plus 2, x greater than 1. No. F of x is equal to 2, minus 1 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 1. F of x is x minus 1 minus 3 less than x less than 1. The question asking to find out f of 3. So f of 3 is equal to, so x greater than 1 the function is consider x plus 2 it is, that is equal to 3 plus 2 equal to 5. Similarly the question is asking to find out f of 0. F of 0 is second function is equal to 2 is there, so f of 0 is equal to 2. So next one is f of minus 1.5. So f of minus 1.5, 1.5 is located at minus 1.5 located at third function. So consider third function x minus 1 and substitute the value of minus 1.5 in the place of x, that is equal to minus 2.5. So next the question is asking to f of 2 plus f of minus 2 is asking question. So f of 2 first you require to find out f of 2 is located at first function. Consider first function x plus 2 and substitute the value 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. And then f of minus 2 we require to find out. So f of minus 2 is equal to, we require third function we need to consider because of minus 2 located at third function. So minus 2 minus 1 is equal to minus 3. And then the question is asking to find out f of 2 plus f of minus 2. So that is equal to 4 plus minus 3. So 4 minus 3 is equal to 1. So there is one more function is given, f of minus 5. So f of minus 5 is not located in any one of the function. So in the given functions, that's why we are taking undefined, because that is not defined the function. So we need to write undefined. So this is the answer. Check with the question number 4 now. So question number 4 is mentioned as a is equal to, the set is mentioned minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2. There is the 5 elements are there. F from a to b is a surjection. Then f of x is equal to function is given as f of x is equal to x square plus x plus 1 function. So the question is asking to find out the b function. So first you need to find out the range. So f of minus 2, so minus 2 whole square minus 2 plus 1, that is equal to 4 minus 2 plus 1 equal to 3. Similarly f of minus 1 we require to find out, substitute minus 1 whole square minus 1 plus 1. So this is 1 will be get. Similarly f of 0, so f of 0 is equal to 0 square plus 0 plus 1 is equal to 1. Similarly f of 1 we require to find out, so substitute the value 1 square plus 1 plus 1, simplify you can get 3. So f of 2, that is equal to 2 square plus 2 plus 1, that is equal to 4 plus 2 plus 1 is 7. So these are the values we got. So now we require to write the range, domain B. So B is equal to set of images. So all images, so we are observing first one is 3 we got, second one is 1, the third one again we got 1, it's not, don't take the repetition number, and then 3, that is also repetition number, so consider 7. So this is the answer. Now question number 5. So the function is defined as f of x is equal to 1 minus 1 plus minus x square by 1 plus x square. The question is show that f of tan theta is equal to cos 2 theta. So f of tan theta is asking, so substitute in the place of x tan theta. So that's why 1 minus tan square theta by 1 plus tan square theta we can able to get. So 1 minus tan square theta by 1 plus tan square theta, according to trigonometry we have formula is cos 2 theta. So therefore f of tan theta we are taking, we got is equal to cos 2 theta. So this is about this problem. Next, question number 6. So there is mentioned as a is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. And then function is defined as f of x is equal to x square minus x plus 1 by x plus 1. So find asking the range to find out. So substitute the values 1 by 1. So f of 1 is equal to 1 square minus 1 plus 1 by 1 plus 1. So cancellation 1 by 1 plus 1 is 2. Similarly, f of 2 that is equal to 2 square minus 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 1. Simplification 4 minus 2 plus 1 by 3 equal to 3 by 3 is equal to 1. Similarly, we require to find out f of 3. So f of 3 is equal to 3 square minus 3 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 equal to 9 minus 3 plus 1 by 4 equal to 10 minus 3 means 7 by 4. Similarly, f of 4 we require to find out. F of 4 is equal to 4 square minus 4 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 is equal to 16 minus 4 plus 1 by 5. The value is 16 minus 4 is 12, 12 plus 1 13 by 5. So therefore the range is equal to set of images is called range. What are the images we got? 1 by 2 is 1, 1 is 1, and then 7 by 4 is 1 more, and then 13 by 5. So this is answer. So this is about this question. Next, question number 7. So the function is defined as f of x is equal to 2x square plus 3. Similarly, g of x is equal to 3x minus 2. The question is asking the first question, f circle g of x. So this also we can able to written as f of g of x, that is equal to f of g of x is equal to, already you know that 3x minus 2. Now the 3x minus 2 you need to substitute in the function of x, then 2 times of 3x minus 2 whole square plus 3. So now we can go with the simplification. 2 into this is a minus b whole square formula, 9x square plus 4 minus 12x plus 3. So more simplification. So this is 18x square, 2 4s are 8, and then 2 2s are 12 2s are 24x plus 3. So is there more simplification is there? So 18x square, so minus 24x plus 8 plus 3 is 11. So this is about the first question that. So the question, second question is given g circle f of x. So how to find out g circle f of x? So g circle f of x we need to consider. This is also written as g of f of x. So that is equal to g of f of x, you know, 2x square plus 3. So now 2x square plus 3 you need to substitute in the function of g. That's a 3 into 2x square plus 3 minus 2. So 3 2s are 6x square, 3 3s are 9 minus 2, that is equal to 6x square. 9 minus 2 it becomes 7. This is the second question. So next there is a one more question, third question. F circle f of x is given. Third question is f circle f of x. So this is also we can written as f of x. So that is equal to f of x, already we know 2x square plus 3. And then 2x square plus 3 you need to substitute the function of x. So 2 into 2x square plus 3 whole square plus 3. So we need to simplify more. So that is equal to 2 times of 4x square, a plus b square. So 4x square plus 9 plus 2 is 4, 4 is 12x square. So this is 4x power 4. So plus 3. So now multiply. 2 4s are 8x power 4. 2 9s are 18. 2 12s are 24x square plus 3. Similarly, so 8x power 4 plus 24x square. So 18 plus 3 is equal to 21. So this is the answer for third question. Similarly, the question is asking one more question on that, f circle f of 0. So f circle f of 0. So f circle f of 0 is